So this is the one that I'm looking at here, guys. This is the one that I got before. I have 2 units of these. These are the 5-tier steel shelving with wire. I got them on sale. Last time I got, it was around November. It was 89. Now it's about 100. Then there's these right here that are more common, and they're on sale for 75. But I kind of want to keep it consistent. I don't know, that's just the way I am. And I'm not sure about this cardboard stuff. Oh yeah, chipboard? Nah, I'm good with wire. I'll pay that extra 25. It feels like it's iron cast. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna go with this one. This is the one I had before. I'm gonna keep it consistent. This will be my 3rd and final unit. After this one, I am planning on getting 2 of these to replace my table. Then after that's completed, I'm gonna go with these, but put them on wheels, and I want to get about 6 of these to replace my car location. My car, after I get those shelving units, that means my car from now on will be placed outside, and I will no longer be able to park it inside. Alright guys, let me finish purchasing this. I believe it's over here. Alright guys, so welcome back. We're back here at the storage space. Now right behind me you'll see that I have 2 storage units, but I'm missing the 3rd one. And as I mentioned in one of my first videos of the year, I promised myself that I was going to get a 3rd storage unit. This is it right here. As you can see, I'm pretty much already building more inventory. This will be my final storage unit as this model, because I want to keep it consistent. These 3. Seeing as this one here right beside me, there's 2 storage units that are consistent, the same style. This will be the 3 storage unit, same style. And then moving forward, by the end of the year, my goal is to reach at least 4 storage units that are on wheels. The one that I showed you there at Lowe's earlier this clip. I want it on wheels, so in case I do need to bring the car in, I can move things around on those storage units. They're not a bad price. Now, the one that we did end up buying was the Premier. What is this here? We're looking at Premier by Etzel. Now, this is a heavy duty. I love it. It's strong compared to the other one that was on sale. I think it was 75. I can't really comment on it, but just seeing the way it felt, I don't like it. Coming from working at a warehouse for 18 years, I dealt with some strong, sturdy storage units. Now, I can't replicate those in here because I'm not carrying boulders. I'm not carrying heavy equipment. Most of these items are not as heavy, but in case as I expand my business, I may come across products that are heavy, bigger units, bigger items. So the price that I got for these, this one was 100, but I paid about 85, I want to say, 85 to 90 on these. each, and I thought I was gonna get it on sale, but I didn't. But you know what? I'm happy. I don't mind paying. I think I paid 105 with taxes for this one, and the whole thing pretty much ended up paying about 300 for all three storage units. And I'm gonna continue getting more items. Again, you already know my style of business, where I get products from Amazon, eBay. I bring it here, and then I also get stuff from China. I put my brand logo on it, and then I pretty much do it here at home. I buy the stuff from China. They put my logo on it, take it home. I put my little touch to it, and then I ship them off to Amazon, and then I also sell them on eBay. Now it is growing. I'm very fortunate to work from home, and seeing that I'm already on my third. Well, actually, it's my fifth storage unit. I'm just happy the way things are going. Is it easy? No, it's not easy. I'm not gonna lie to you and say anyone can do it. In a way, yes, anyone can do it, but you do need time. You need a lot of time in your hands to make this work. If you are living check by check and you need the job, I would say continue working at your job. Do not quit yet, but put a feel in it. Open up an eBay account, open up an Amazon account, and start selling things that you have laying around the house. I wouldn't recommend going out to yard sales, garage sales, and just start buying things and try to flip it. That's not the way to go, especially if you're living check by check. You have family, you have kids, you have a lot of bills, you have a mortgage, you have cars. I wouldn't suggest going that route. I would suggest start small, just to learn how to start selling, and start gathering your kids' old toys, old clothing, your wife, your parents, your significant other, things that you don't really use. Look through all the items that you have laying around your house and ask yourself, do I really need this? When was the last time I used this item? And then pretty much that'll give you the answer. I started in April last year, so it's been a year. Yes, I started for a year now, and I started selling my old hobby. I started selling Magic the Gathering products, which I still sell. I found a supplier. Well, he's not really a supplier, he's more of a distributor who gets it at a better price, and then he kind of hooks me up with his discount. But it is way better than going to a local store, local LGS store, and getting them for what you think is a good profit, but it's not. There's many people out there that you can speak to. It's the gift of the gab. You're online, you're talking to people, you're socializing, you get connections. But I started selling my hobby a hobby of mine that I've had for over 20 years, and I enjoyed it. But as I get older, there's a lot of cards that I don't need. They are valuable that I can just sell, and I sold many that had me profit to take that money and then move it on to other things, and then have those things start selling. It's a lot of work because you do need to understand what you're going to buy. You need to look at the market and see what people need. I'm rambling. Sorry, guys. I'm just very happy, excited to know that I already got my fifth storage unit, and from here I could only grow. It'll soon enough. I'm gonna start leaving my car outside just because I want to start getting more shelves on wheels here. But that's it, guys. Let me open up this box. Let me pause it now and set up the camera at a different angle for the opening. All right, guys. Alright, so now that everything's out of the box, I can easily carry it and show you guys. So what I purchased was the Premier by Edsel, the heavy duty. The dimensions that I got that you're looking at here is 48 in width, 24 in length, and 72 inches in height. It holds about 5,000 pounds. I have no problem with that. There's another model that you can have laying it flat, but I kind of like having it laying laying tall. So that's it. I took everything out. What we're looking at here are the shelves and the legs that I'm going to have to install.